To change your Galaxy watch face from your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch face, and then select the desired watch face you like to use. As the example, we will select Simple Classic from the Analog Modern section. If needed, you can do some customization to the selected watch face. To do so, at the top of the screen, tap the pencil icon on the watch face you select. Here, you can choose some pre-made watch face setting, or you can custom it as you want by changing the background color, change the index style, change the hands or second hand style and color, and change the complication color and complication option. Once done, tap save to save the change. As you can see, now the selected watch face with its setting had been applied to your watch face. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.